Hello people, I'm back. Well, I just thought I'd let you know that I will do more burping videos soon because everybody is watching my burping videos. So, I'll probably get more subscribers and likes and views on my YouTube channel by doing burping videos, well, a few each week, you know, about three, about three burping videos a week or two burping videos a week or something like that, because everybody's watching my burping videos, not my shout outs. I don't know why. Oh, not my first video either. So yeah, I'll probably do that. Yeah, I just thought I'd let you know that. So yeah, I'll see you later. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Bye.